Like, where did it go? Hello, friends. Welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited, you guys. So, for Christmas, or my birthday, one or the other, my housemate got me these silicone panels that are holographic. Let me see if I can kind of show you. Kind of see it showing up there a little bit. Maybe. I don't know how to show this. How do you show the holographic nature of it? You can kind of see. So this one's like a sunburst holographic. Oh, what happens if I do this? Let's turn these off. Nope, that's not gonna work. Okay. Anyway, so this one's a sunburst. This one is like a pretty bubbly texture. Yeah, it's not showing up. Well, we're gonna play with them anyway. These are like tiny bubbles, and then this one, that shows up. That's like giant geometric pattern. And then what's this one? This one's got like the giant geometric pattern on it, but I think that's because it was just stuck to it. I can't see any holographic on this one. Huh. I don't know. This one might just be regular, like a clear. As in, like, it doesn't have any holographic texture on it. I don't know. We'll see if this even works. I don't even know if it will. These are off of Amazon. But I pulled out 3 of my moon molds. And I want to try using this on the molds. And just see if I can get any kind of cool imprint, if it'll even work. We're going to try these 3. I'm going to leave this one out. And if I have any extra resin, then I will utilize that on the extra resin, and it'll be like a bonus unmolding, I guess. But yeah, so I want to do clear, and then I also want to try some alcohol inks, perhaps. Or maybe just one alcohol ink, like mix it in, not, you know, petri dish pour. I want to see if it'll shine through like a blue alcohol ink. So that's going to be today's video. It should be short and sweet. I'm so confused by this one, because I swear it had 4 patterns. So I don't know why I'm not seeing anything, like the listing, I mean. I don't know why I'm not seeing anything on this one. But, okay. Well, we're going to give this a shot and see how it goes, okay? All right, let's mix up the resin. Let's get started. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. I had some pink and some yellow left over, so I just popped them into this little cat mold. I don't know, it was just sitting here. I didn't feel like going to find a different mold. Cute, 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 cute. They're like little Easter colors, little spring colors. Nice. I really like this one, actually. I like the way that the pink is kind of in there. Kind of floating in there. Okay. Very cute. Very cute. Cute little kitties. Anyway, that's today's bonus unmolding. Alright, friends. So these are cured. Which one do I want to do first? I think I'll go for clear. It's going to have a lot of cleanup on it. Okay, I can see the holographic. I don't know that you guys can, but I can see it. Okay. I did struggle a bit with getting it on there without bubbles, hence why there's so much overpour. I just had to keep lifting it up and taking it off. So, and I want to get all this extra off before I demold, because I feel like it's easier to do when it's still in the, you know, still in the mold. So this one was just clear. So I did one clear, and then I did 2 colors. I don't even, you guys, I filmed that intro 2 weeks ago. I don't even remember what colors I said I was going to do for these. So, whatever old Megan said, I guess don't listen to her because she didn't know. But, okay. So there's the extra off of that one. Huh. I can kind of see it. I don't know how well you guys are going to be able to see that. Oh, there we go. You can kind of see it in there. Okay. Sure. Let me see. How do I angle this so you guys can see it? I guess, yeah, this is about the best way. Is angling it like this. There we go. Okay. It's not terribly visible. I was hoping it would be visible. Well, more visible. Obviously, this is a small piece, right? Like, it's not utilizing the entire piece of silicone. So, it's not a lot of surface area, but I wanted some new moons for my hair. Okay, and now that I have made a gigantic mess. Okay, so actually I think I'm going to turn off the camera. I'm going to take the excess off of these moons off camera so that way you guys don't have to stay here. And then I will be back to demold, okay? All right, hang tight. Okay, so these are both cleaned up as much as I can, although I just saw this teeny tiny little piece. Let me get that off real quick. This one looks cool just in the mold. Okay. That's so funny. It's like it's creating a pattern, but it's not necessarily a holographic pattern. You know what I mean? Does that make sense? Like you can see the pattern, but it's not holographic. Huh. Just kind of looks like I pressed a soccer ball onto it. I'm not even... I'm kind of seeing it, but not really. Okay. Now this one does have a little bit of pink in it because I was having an issue with the gigantic bubble, and every time I lifted the silicone, it just kind of took out resin. So I needed to fill it in, and I only had a little bit of the pink left. Sorry, I'm trying to see, like I can see it kind of right here, but I'm not really seeing it on the rest. Where did it all go? Wow, that's bizarre. Here, let me see if I can show you what I'm talking about. So, right here on the tip, you can kind of see it right here. See how it looks like bubbles, but it's not. But it's nowhere to be seen on the rest of the piece. Oh, that's so interesting. Huh. Okay. Well, shit. Did not turn out how I wanted. You know, to be honest with you, I feel like, well, number one, they're cheap, right? They were super cheap. I can't remember how much they were, but they were not expensive. My housemate got them for me for Christmas. I feel like these are better utilized by cutting them up and putting them into a mold, so like a coaster mold or something, and having, like, putting them into the bottom of your coaster mold and then pouring the resin right on top of them. I feel like that might work better. I don't know. Yeah, okay. And again, this one only gave me like a pattern. It didn't even try to give me any kind of a rainbow effect that a holographic would. I don't know. Anyway, the bonus unmoldings turned out cute either way. So, yeah, I don't know. It was an interesting experiment. I am going to try these again, but I'm going to do what I just said. I'm going to cut them up and put them in my coaster molds and then pour on top of them and see how that turns out. I also might try pouring it with black resin. Maybe it'll pop better on black. I don't know. But anyway, that's today's video. If you enjoyed it, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.